The purpose of this methodology is to obtain a white infarction in the ventilated lung tissue surrounding the tumor, so that it will be possible to achieve a large safety margin and a homogeneous tumor necrosis. For this reason, we remember the different shunts which work in the lung. The blue pulmonary shunts, which are normally opened in the upper lobes, provide a reserve for stressful situations. When the body is relaxed, this AV bypass of pulmonary blood leads to a smaller total volume of the ventilating lung parenchyma of about 30%. During hyperventilation, these pulmonary shunts close and the AV bypass stops, so the whole volume of the lung is perfused and ventilated. On the other hand, the red bronchial shunts, which are normally closed, open only when there is a drop in pressure in the right chambers of the heart and/or in the arterial pulmonary vascular bed, such as in cardiac failure and in many pulmonary chronic diseases. All these vascular shunts consist of smooth muscular cells and work as valves with a maximum inner diameter of 200 micron for pulmonary network and 325 micron for bronchial arteries. The embolization with eluting beads through the pulmonary arteries aims at reducing the heat sink effect around the tumor. The vascular factor is eliminated by the embolization of the whole segment containing the tumor. The prevention of the pulmonary blood flow leads to a sudden opening of the bronchial shunts, which causes the loading of the alveoli with transudate fluid, edema, proteins, and macrophagic cells. The infarction of the lung tissue surrounding the tumor eliminates the alveolar ventilation. This reduces the electrical impedance tissue and allows a good progression of RF waves, which are subsequently applied. The final result is a high deposition of RF energy, which leads to a wide tumor necrosis with a large safety margin. The high temperature around the tumor promotes the absorption of the drugs loaded on the eluting beads. After 3 to 4 weeks, the pulmonary infarction is completely resolved.